what's up everybody? We're in downtown San Antonio today. See the kids back there. Say hi, Mom. We're on our way to the Alamo. We're on a Christmas vacation in downtown San Antonio. So stay tuned and we'll show you some clips of what we see. Kelly.
What?
You're a movie star. You're a tiger.
Shut up.
You're a tiger. Growl. You're a sexy tiger. Go.
You're gonna be a dead tiger if you don't stop.
All right, hey, what's up everybody? As you've seen, we went to the Alamo and stuff yesterday. Today we're in Mejia, Texas, at the site of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. What you see behind me is where Leatherface chopped up his victims and skinned them. Made lampshades, furry dyes to hang off your rear view mirror in your car. No, I'm just kidding, but we are in Texas. So anyways, we're at Deathwishexotics house.
What's going on, everybody?
Yeah, doing a rat rack build today. We'll go check that out. All right, so what you see here, we're in the middle of building the rat rack. I can include the link to the directions we're following in the description down below. Our cordless power tools ran out of batteries, so we're on a break right now. But as you can see, here's all of our stuff. We'll include the finished product once we're done. Alright, so Cameron's going to show off some of his snakes here out in the beautiful Texas sunlight. What do we got here, Cameron?
This is a Firefly Enchi Lesser Hidden Gene Woma. He is a male. We've had him for about 5-6 months. Got him from another breeder, and he's been really docile. He's really good. He's very pretty. I don't know if you can pick up all the like the lightning and the colors on the camera, but he's a really good looking snake. He's very docile. He's got some good looking eyes over here. And he's probably about 5 months away from being paired up. He's probably at weight now, but I want to wait a little bit longer, but he's getting close. So I'm excited to pair him up with some future snakes.
That's a powerhouse too.
Yeah, 5 gene right there.
All right, Cameron's got another snake he wants to show off.
All right. This is a snow that is an xanthic albino. You can see she's got a little bit of yellow in her. It's very, very faint. You can only see it in like bright light. She is a big breeder for us. She's probably the biggest snake we have right now. I'd say close to 17, if not 18. We're pairing her up currently with a black pastel, hoping to get some good double hets and maybe have a black snow. That's kind of the idea with her. She's a really good snake. She's got the cool little red eyes, and she's starting to back crawl into my shirt here, so I'm going to start to put her away. But she's a good looking snake, and she's very friendly.
All right, so we just got done building the rat rack. The first one I've ever built. This was a Christmas present to Deathwishexotics. The hardware store here only had 2 tubs, but the rack's built and they can buy more tubs when they get them in.
That doesn't mean only Texas people are going to look at this. Cameron, get your ass over here.
Oh, what am I doing?
I don't know.
All right, that's it for this episode. Coming at you from Texas. Woo! Rat rack is built. We're gonna go rehouse some rats. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, all that stuff.
Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time.